Okay, the first thing I notice is the first two terms in the problem are reciprocals of one another. And this is something we've seen over and over again. And that's critical, that you see these things over and over again, probably going to see them again over and over again. So I'm going to, say, oh, it looks like u, whoops, sorry about that. I'm getting so much better at this, I can just write this down now. U minus 1 over u is equal to 35, 6. This is the understanding that u is equal to x squared plus 2 over 2x minus 5. What am I going to do? Multiply both sides by 6u. What do you get? 6u squared minus 6 equals 35u. 6u squared minus 35u minus 6 equals 0. I'm hoping this factors nicely. And I'm going to say 6u and u, 6 and 1, minus plus, let me just check it. You do get 6u squared. You get minus 36 plus 1 is minus 35, minus 6. Deja vu all over it again. This would be minus 1/6, or u is equal to 6. Well, I got to do them. And someone says, what do you mean you got to do them? I don't want u, I want x. And this is going to give it to me. So let's look at the first one. 6 equals x squared plus 2, 2x minus 5. And that's not so bad. That's 12x minus 30 equals x squared plus 2. Wow, it's going to be a tough one. 0 equals x squared minus 12x, and then you're going to get 32. All right? So I'm looking at that. I think I can handle that. What do you get? 0 equals x, it looks like 8 and 4 minus minus. So x equals 8 or x equals 4. Are we getting those answers? Of course we are. All right, I did that one. Let's do the other one. What's the other one going to be? Minus 1/6. Whoops, let me get my pen out. Minus 1/6 equals, well, it equals that u thing, right? And that's x squared plus 2 over 2x minus 5. Let's simplify that. What do you get? 5 minus 2x, 6x squared plus 12. Don't despair. 0, 6x squared plus 2x. And then you're going to get plus 7. There's trouble here. I want to point out the trouble is I'm not going to get this using my fingers. It's not going to happen. So what I'm going to do, quadratic formula, where x is going to be equal to twice b, which is 12, the opposite of b, which is minus 2, plus or minus, I got to do the square root. So let's see, it's going to be the b squared, which is 4, minus 4ac. Well, that's 24 times 7. That's going to be 140, and because 7 times 20 is 140, and then 28, 168. All right, it looks nightmarish, and I know it does, but I have to write it down. X equals minus 2 plus or minus. I got to do the square root guy for you. What is it going to be? It's minus 164. Well, I'm going to factor the 164. I'm looking for a perfect square, by the way. Certainly 2 goes in there. How many times? 82 times. And 2 goes in, oops, 82, sorry about that. 2 goes in 41 times. So now I know. What's it going to be? It's going to be 2i root 41 over 6. This does reduce. X equals minus 1 plus or minus I root 41 over 3. Did we get that answer? Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. That's a 12. I put a 6 here. This is 12. This would be 6. My error. We get that answer? Of course we get that answer. All right? Thank you.